Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your rewards with American Express, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your rewards with American Express, start by visiting the official American Express website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the rewards section found in the account dashboard. Review your current rewards balance to understand what you have available. Decide on the type of rewards you want to recover, such as points, cashback, or travel credits. If you're looking for points, click on the Points Redemption option. Browse through the available rewards categories like travel, merchandise, or gift cards. Select the specific reward you wish to redeem. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection. If you're redeeming cashback, choose the cashback option from your dashboard. Select the amount of cash back you would like to recover. Confirm your choice and follow any additional prompts that may appear. For travel credits, go to the Travel Rewards section and find eligible purchases. Select the travel purchase you want to apply your credits towards. Confirm your credit redemption. Double-check that the rewards have been successfully applied to your account. You will receive a confirmation email outlining your redemption details. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact American Express customer support for assistance. Consider reviewing the terms and conditions associated with rewards redemption. Keep track of your rewards activity for future reference. Make a note of any expiration dates on earned rewards to ensure you don't lose them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.